Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Are you wanting to move your SIM contacts to your Android phone? Here's a quick and easy method. It only works in Android. Go to the Google Play Store and search for copy to SIM card. This one app. This will look like this. Download a trusted app with good reviews. This app let you copy contact directly from your phone to your SIM card and vice versa. Once installed, open the app and allow permissions. Now select the contacts you want to copy. Here the list of all the contacts. Tap the three dot menu and hit copy to SIM or a similar option. Here you can see copy to SIM or there are other options as well. Click on what you need and that's it. Your contacts are now stored safely on your SIM card. Handy if you are switching phones or need a backup. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick Android tutorials.